What up, y'all? Not with another Wrangler video 2000. This is TJ. What we're doing today, I'm gonna show y'all how to take the top off this thing. This is the soft top. We're gonna take the top off, the doors off, the windows off. Be quick video. It's gonna be a tutorial right here. I done took it off and put it back on a couple of times, so I know how to do it now. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it step by step. Let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna be doing is taking off the door and the windows. Windows is easy. Just come right up, slide right out. Maybe. All right, for the doors, the only thing we gotta do is easy to take off the strap right here. Door slides right up off these hinges. And that's it. All right, going to the back right here. It's kind of easy, not too hard. Be taking off my I think this is what you use to seal out the back window. Take this off. Now you can see my back one is zipped in. Yours will be zipped in. All you do is unzip these. Now on the bottom here, it's gonna be clipped in. Since mine's not zipped in, it's not gonna be tight. It's gonna have that. It's like a little clipper head going on the bottom of it. Unclip that. Unclip this. And it's top is held on by Velcro up here. It's gonna be zipped in and held on by Velcro on the sides and the tops. It holds back when it comes out. Alright, next we're gonna be doing undoing the strap right here to hold on the top. Pretty easy. They just hook onto here. Just loosen it up a little bit and it should unhook. But one on my side over here, this was broke. I gotta fix. I haven't fixed it yet, so this was already unhooked. Now after we do that, we can start unstrapping it now. We can get the top to roll forward a little bit. All right, next when we come to the top, we're gonna unzip our windows right here. We got a zipper on this side. I'm gonna hop over, I'm gonna unzip the other side real quick. There, the whole top is ready to release. And we're gonna take your zippers all the way out. All right, next up, we're gonna start taking out the two back side windows. As you can see right here, they'll be clipped in with these little clips right here. They tuck underneath. It goes all the way around underneath here. All the way around to the front over here, all around the side. We're gonna unclip it all the way around. This window should start coming out. All right, next up we gotta start taking off this roof right now. It's probably like the toughest part here. Same way around the side of the windows, how the clip goes underneath the bottom of here. You have to get the other clip from the top up here. It goes around the sides, the front, and the other side. This one's gonna be a lot tighter. I found out it's kind of easy to do the front because there's nothing holding the front. So we're gonna start unclipping the front of it first. Front of this side, see what I'm doing. Start peeling out and then it'll come out. The next up, we just gotta get these sides off now. These is probably gonna be the hardest one. Once you get one installed, you can just start flipping it up like so. There it is right there. Get this, the other side should just fall right on off. Alright, next up we're going to be taking off the side panel right here. Pretty easy, it's just got two bolts or screws that hold it in. Just unscrew both of these right here and it comes right on out. Now it should slide out. All you do is pop it back up like this. That comes out and it slides right out. And it kind of folds out too, so you can fold it up, put it where you need to be at. And the exact same thing for the opposite side. Last thing you got to take off, this is optional. This is the bar that holds the front of the roof here. Only thing you need is a 1/2 inch, either wrench or a socket. You don't have to take these bolts all the way out. It's 2 of them right here. This clip here, this right here. Loosen it up, it's just a clip that clips into it. You don't have to take it all the way out. You can see it's starting to drop down a little bit. Once it drops down a little bit, it's loose. You get that one out. Same thing on the opposite side here. Get this one out. This is already kind of loose. These pretty much just little clips that you tighten up in there. And this pops right on out. Just the little clips tighten up. These tighten up and go in there and tighten up and lock that in place. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it right there for this video, man. It's pretty much it for taking the whole top, the doors, the windows, the roof, everything off the Jeep Wrangler 2000, the TJ. This is the soft top right here. And if y'all want to see another video of me putting this thing back on, just leave in the comments. I'll do another tutorial of me replacing it, putting it back on step by step. Hope y'all enjoyed. It's been your host. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Go.